Hello everyone, children. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we have another set of assignment, and this assignment is a revision assignment. You have already learned, you are going to prepare for your exam. So this assignment is going to help you out for recapitulation of all the topics you have already learned. So let's begin. The first one, the mode of transport invented by Wright brothers. The mode of transport invented by Wright brothers. Definitely everyone knows who has invented the aeroplane. It's the Wright brothers, right? Aeroplane, it's a air transportation. So here let's see, bus, ship, aeroplane. So the answer is 3. 3 is the answer. You can even say helicopter, but they have actually invented aeroplane. Is it clear? So coming to the next one, way to exchange ideas and feelings in early days. Way to exchange ideas and feelings in the early days. I mean, that's how the evaluation started off early, man. They have actually discovered each and everything, how to communicate, how to cook, how to travel. And during that period of time, they have started communicating with the gestures like this. Do people say no without saying anything? Hi, how are you? Good, not good. So these all are the gestures. Okay, the answer for this gesture. Okay, one is the answers. And what other you have? You have pictographs, telephone, postcards. So the answer for this exchanging of idea through gestures. One is the answer. The third one, a small ocean around the North Pole that is frozen around the year. So here what they're saying, North Pole. Okay. So a small ocean around the North Pole that is frozen around the year. So North Pole you have Arctic, right? So let's see, Antarctic. So Arctic Ocean. 2 is the answer. Is it clear? Let's go for the next one. A narrow piece of land connecting South America and North America. A narrow piece of land. If you can see here, if you can see, this is North America and this is South America. Here you have the narrow piece of land, narrow, which is very narrow. This is not very broad, like no, all the highways you have very narrow actually. Why they construct the narrow roads in the highways? To avoid the accidents. Is it clear? So what the question? A narrow piece of land connecting South America and North America. The answer is Isthmus of Panama. The answer is Isthmus of Panama. The one is the answer here. Coming to the next one. Dash referred to exchange of information among people. Dash refers to exchange of information among people. So what is exchange? The information. So let's see whether it's a communication or it's a telephone. What actually they are asking. So ideology, reference, ideas or communication. So ideology is the thoughts which you have your own thoughts, and maybe your thoughts is not it's not going with my thoughts actually. Like Gandhiji have the ideology. What is the Gandhiji ideology? Non-violence. Okay, there were some other set of people who were actually a freedom fighter, but they never used to go along with Mahatma Gandhi. Their ideology was different and Gandhiji's ideology was different. Okay, so you are understanding what is ideology now here? So here dash refers to the exchange of information among people, that is communication. 4 is the answer. Clear, children? Next one, dash is the coldest continent. Dash is the coldest continent. Which is the coldest continent? You have in the north and the south, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic, right? So which is the coldest? Arctic, their habitation is there, but coming to Antarctic, there is no human habitation. So the coldest is Antarctic, Europe, North America, Antarctic. So it is Antarctica. You can say it is Antarctica. 3 is the answer. Clear? Let's go for the next one. Dash were used to travel across the river. Dash were used to cross across the river. Now you have ships, you have the boats, you have the steamers. So during when actually the humans started traveling here and there, they discovered that a wood can float on the water. So that's how they started going from one place to another place. So here, ship, steamer, logs and sledges. So the answer goes for logs. So dash were used to travel across the river, logs. during the early time when actually the transportation was about to start and everything. So the answer goes for 2 logs. Okay, that is the barks of the trees. Coming to the last question, a continent lacking permanent human inhabitation. A continent lacking permanent human inhabitation, that's what I just said. In Arctic you have the Eskimos, okay, Inuits, they are staying there, but coming to Antarctica there is no inhabitation of humans, then people, they can't stay there, it's the coldest continent. But definitely you have the research centers, the different country research centers there, who actually study how the climate is changing. Okay, even the Indian research center is also available there. I think three or four research centers are there in here. And recently there's a news that 2 people are affected by coronavirus also in Antarctica. Okay, so you can understand how deadly this virus is. Though the you can say there's no inhabitation, but the people who are staying there for the research, they were affected by coronavirus, but there's no inhabitation. People, there's no permanent settlement in Antarctica. Is it clear? So the answer 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Is it clear, children? I hope this assignment is very clear for you. So you can do this when you read your textbook. So make use of reading your textbook. Make a habit of reading your textbook, children. Thank you.